Delaney decided that her diapers would look better on the floor. You did what now? And you know what? I tried to fight her with it, but she's content, so I'm just gonna let her go at it. Just throw them all over the place. They're like cardboard, so it doesn't matter. Delaney, you having fun? You smell like maybe you need one of those diapers, huh? Oh my God. Oh jeez. Oh. Gus, what do you think about this? I got hit. I'm out of here. Hi, Gussie. Hi, Gussie. Gussie. So weird. Those are your diapers? Delaney. Delaney. What made you want to do this? Alright, well, we're gonna go. So, I can clean up these diapers. She just threw some at me. Oh, she's throwing them at me. What do you think? Oh, that was close. All right, we're gonna go. Let Grandma through.
Did she post?
I think so. Get one of those diapers. We'll change it.